Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, May 18th. As I mentioned in our last session, we are done following Brené Brown's book, but we still continue with the I Am Enough series. So for the next few days, we will explore shame from the chakra perspective. Shame is associated with the third chakra, our solar plexus center. This chakra is responsible for our identity and usually develops fully during our teen years when we get very much attuned to the world reflecting ourselves back to us, our behaviors, our innate qualities. So without further ado, let's connect to this through a practice. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be natural. There is nothing to fix about your breath. Let it flow. Just like there is nothing to fix about you. Everything is perfect just the way it is in this moment. Just see if you can get a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring your attention to your solar plexus. Maybe even put one or both hands on top of your solar plexus. Connect with the sensation in this area. What do you feel? And if you feel nothing, that's fine too. And when you're ready, as you focus on your solar plexus, start repeating the word shame. Shame, shame, shame. And as you do this, notice all the physical sensations that arise, all the thoughts, all the emotions. See if you can simply stay in the space without judgment, without trying to fix anything, just observing. Perhaps you'll be able to connect with the shame you've been experiencing consciously or unconsciously. Perhaps you feel a big no, a huge resistance to this exercise. No, I don't want to connect with my shame. I don't want to open this can of worms. That's totally fine too. See if you can stay with this no and allow it to get dissolved in the spaciousness of your kind and curious attention. Remind yourself that to heal the wound of shame, we must move from judgment to feeling our worthiness. We can call it self-acceptance. And self-acceptance is about identifying all the things we judge ourselves harshly for and welcoming them back in, integrating into the wholeness of who we are. not pushing away. It's about acknowledging that all the things we judge others for are a reflection of the parts of ourselves we are hiding. Acceptance says, I am enough. All of me is welcome here, especially my vulnerabilities. So again, perhaps you want to put one or both hands on your solar plexus and repeat a few times after me. I am enough. All of me is welcome here, especially my vulnerabilities. I am enough. All of me is welcome here, especially my vulnerabilities. I am enough. All of me is welcome here, especially my vulnerabilities. And as you do this, keep noticing your physical sensations, your thoughts, your emotions. And remember, you are not trying to fix anything. You're not trying to solve anything. You're not trying to suddenly feel worthy and light and beautiful. This exercise is simply about opening yourself up to everything that is you. And remind yourself that whatever you find out is experienced by everybody. Remember, shame, vulnerability is a universal emotion. It's part of our shared humanity. Nothing more, nothing less. Whenever you notice the next wave of intense discomfort of shame, simply repeat again. I am enough. All of me is welcome here, especially my vulnerabilities. I am enough. All of me is welcome here, especially my vulnerabilities. I am enough. All of me is welcome here, especially my vulnerabilities. And now gently let go of the practice, and as always, scan your body. Notice how you're feeling now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And today, as you go through your day, I invite you to continue connecting with all the discomfort of shame that lives in your solar plexus, the felt sensation of it. Reminding yourself that it's okay to feel this way. Everybody feels this way about something, sometimes. This is what makes us human. Enjoy your discoveries, and as always, if you're inspired to share, please do so. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.